Hello, dear friends. Welcome to your more brainy channel today. I'm going to sharing with some extremely important things you must know and remember that trading carries risks, and it's important to keep awareness of potential risks and not take risks. Information about specific strategies for trading on the Olymp Trade platform is proprietary and subject to change. It's important to note that trading involves risks, and it's essential to maintain awareness of potential risks and not risk more than you can afford to lose. So please your attention and stay soon.
I got nightmares in my...
For beginners, here are some general tips that can be part of an effective trading strategy on Olymp Trade. 1. Learn and practice. Before diving into real trading, take the time to understand the basics of trading and explore the Olymp Trade platform. Read the educational resources available on the platform and make use of the free demo account to practice trading without risking real money. 2. Set clear goals. Define clear trading goals and establish rules for entry and exit points and capital management before starting real trading. Your strategy can be based on technical or fundamental analysis or the use of technical indicators. 3. Manage capital. Maintain good capital management. Determine a reasonable percentage of your capital to use in each trade and avoid risking large amounts in a single trade. It is generally advised to not exceed 2 to 5% of your capital in a single trade. Four, use analytical tools and indicators. A beginner's Olymp Trade strategy involves utilizing technical analysis tools and indicators to make trading decisions. Learn to use common indicators such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, and others to analyze markets and identify potential trading opportunities. 5. Manage emotions. Emotional management is a crucial part of successful trading strategy. Maintain confidence in your strategy and avoid making emotional decisions based on consecutive losses or quick profits. Be patient and disciplined in executing your strategy and manage your capital wisely. Please note that these are general guidelines, and it's important to do further research, gain experience, and adapt your strategy as you learn more about trading and the specific features of the Olymp Trade platform.